Hi everyone, I'm Emily.
And I'm Brian.
And we are both teachers from the Lingoni English channel. And we have some big news we'd like to talk about today.
We just launched the Lingoni English app.
Woohoo!
Woo! So it's been a lot of work in the last couple months to put it all together. And it's been quite the journey looking at the very beginning when we first even just did our audition videos for Lingoni to see if we could even, work for the channel.
Yeah, those videos are very embarrassing. They're under lock and key.
We'll see about that. Maybe that can be the 1-year anniversary of the launch.
Oh God.
So yeah, we've spent a lot of time working on the app, making videos, first learning how to use microphones and cameras and get the lighting down. So it's also been cool to go from first making those to now we've used those videos to be able to make worksheets from and other materials that you can learn with on the Lingoni English app. So let's talk a little bit about what's actually in the app.
Yeah, okay, so the app is divided into 4 different levels, A1, A2, B1, or B2. You can take milestone tests to find out your level or to bypass to the next level. And within each of those levels, there are 3 different sections. There are the lessons, there are podcasts, and there are vocabulary training sections. And within those, there are lots of different styles of interactive exercises. There's a lot of listening, there's a lot of speaking, and then of course just regular testing to see if you understood the content in the lesson.
That's right.
Yeah, and Brian's been working on a lot of the worksheets that are also part
I have
of
been.
the app.
Yeah, so those give you some good practice so that when you actually go to take the milestone tests, you feel as though you are prepared because you've been working your way through that extra practice too.
So Brian, what has been your favorite part of Lingoni English in general, from the beginning?
Well, I think like with you two, making the dialogues has been one of the best things.
Yeah, it's my favorite.
And I also really like pronunciation in English and in other languages. So the How It's Said videos that we post on social media, I really love making those as well as writing scripts too.
Yeah, the script writing can be really nice. But yeah, the dialogues, I definitely agree, are my favorite. Plus, as a learner, I feel like those are some of the more useful videos because you're getting to hear English like in real life. We don't write scripts for those videos. We have an idea and then we just film naturally. And so you really get to learn English in a very different context than like in the classroom or with like grammar lessons.
Mm-hmm. And a lot of what we say there is probably what we would say in real life.
Mm-hmm. I remember in the beginning, some of the dialogues were really hard to film because Brian and I were not used to being on camera.
And we laughed a lot.
We could not stop laughing. It was really bad. But we've gotten better, and now we can handle it most of the time.
Most of the time. Stop looking over there.
I laugh.
I love this waiter.
No! Oh, we were doing so good. So don't forget to check out the app. You can find the link in the description below.
And we hope you guys enjoy the app as much as we've enjoyed making it for you. So we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.
I guess I should start talking.
At some point.